Step into timeless elegance at 740 North Fred Shuttlesworth Circle, a grand 1921 Tudor-style home in the beautiful tree-lined streets of North Avondale, one of Cincinnati's most historic and charming neighborhoods. This 5-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom estate offers over 4,000 square feet of living space, and it sits on a spacious 1.03-acre lot, giving you privacy, peace, and plenty of room to grow. From the moment you walk in, you'll feel the warmth and character that only a historic home like this can give. Original vaulted and beamed ceilings, ornate crown molding, and elegant French doors create a timeless feel throughout the home. 2 fireplaces, one in the living room, one in the family room, add cozy charm perfect for Ohio winters. This is a house that tells a story, and now it's waiting for you to write the next chapter. The kitchen and bathrooms are ready for your custom updates, but the structure and space are all here. Solid, well-built, and full of potential. Need more room? The large unfinished basement and 3rd-floor attic could be transformed into a guest suite, game room, home theater, or anything your heart desires. Outdoors, the cedar and stone exterior showcases true 1920s craftsmanship. A covered patio in the back offers the perfect space for morning coffee, summer barbecues, or evening drinks with friends. There's even a 2-car garage, a rare find in homes of this era. This home is being sold as is, but that just means opportunity. Whether you're a visionary homeowner, a renovation lover, or a preservationist who wants to bring history back to life, this is your chance to own something truly special. No FHA loans here, but it's perfect for a renovation loan. Or a cash offer from someone who knows the value of a home with heart. The location? You're just minutes from Walnut Hills, Hyde Park, Xavier University, and the University of Cincinnati. Shops, cafes, schools, and parks, everything is close, yet your home feels like a private retreat. This is North Avondale, where stately homes sit on wide lots, where neighbors wave as you walk by, and where Cincinnati's rich history is preserved in every corner. 740 North Fred Shuttlesworth Circle is not just a home, it's a piece of Ohio history, and it's ready for a new beginning. Whether you dream of restoring a classic beauty, or you're looking for a long-term investment in one of Cincinnati's most desirable neighborhoods, this home is your chance to make something beautiful. So come take a look, bring your vision, and let the possibilities inspire you. 740 North Fred Shuttlesworth Circle. History, character, opportunity. All in one unforgettable address.